Log 27. It's not going well. Zombies are really taking over the lab. I don't know if we can take it any longer. I might have to move out. But I don't want to leave my friends. I'm gonna have to. They're breaking in. I gotta go. Log 28. Why do I do these logs? We're still here. Why are we suffering like this? We can't stand off them any longer. If we do, well, it won't end well. So, this log might be the last one, but if I survive, it might not. Anyone out here that's hearing this? Do not stay here for that long. There is one boss, a big boss. Please don't